Hey, welcome to another video. So this is my 2017 Gibson J-15, and I'm going to be making a new saddle for it. I had taken the original one and sanded it down, and I think I went a little too far. I think it was causing the strings to hit the frets. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but I was seeing some wear. When I took the strings off, I noticed some wear. Um, It made me start to think that maybe I went a little too far on the saddle. Now I did go ahead and polish them, and I put some oil on there. I used this Frine fret polishing kit and the F1 oil. The oil's for the fingerboard and the polish is for the frets, obviously. And on the guitar nut, you can see that I've put some pencil lead in the string slots just to help the strings slide around a little better. It's kind of an old trick. And I think I might have had a little too much pressure from the rod in there. So I took the cover off. In fact, I took the nut off and put a little grease on it and put it back on. I didn't make it quite as tight as it was. A little grease helps it rotate better without sticking. And Dan Earlywine says you can even use Vaseline if you want to. I just went with some grease. So let me go ahead and take a measurement of the saddle, see where we're at. So let me zero this out. So this is the original one. I think it's Tusk. I sanded it down, and it came out to just over 8.5 millimeters. So that may be a little too low. So I've got a replacement Tusk. Zero that out again. And so this one measures out just over 11 millimeters. I'm going to take it down to, I think, 10.5. Well, maybe 10 or 9.5, somewhere in that range. Try that. Got my humidity gauge over here. See, I'm at about 45%, just under 70 degrees. Gibson says to keep your humidity at between 40 and 50% relative humidity, so I'm right where I need to be. I think they say in a temperature, try to keep it, I think 65 to 70. I have to double check on that. But the J-15 has a Sitka spruce top, walnut back and sides, walnut fretboard, a maple neck, I believe, with a walnut stringer. This guitar offers good value for the money, good quality, and for those people that don't want to spend, $2,500 and they still want to have a quality guitar with a lifetime warranty, this guitar really fits the bill for that. And they say that the wood is all from North America. So I guess that wraps it up for today. And I'm going to get started on that new saddle, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.